So when you're releasing models in Nitro-CELL, basically you're cleaning them up and backing them up, and you can do that to the same name, or you can just create a brand new name as you're doing it. I've predefined a release process here for a specific model called basket.prt. It's going to be renamed to a new name and backed up to a new directory. That's what these variables are set up for. The Nitro release function initiates that stuff, and the models that we're modifying there can either already be in session or they can be pulled up off of the hard drive automatically from Nitro-CELL. So when I run this process, it's going to create a new directory within my working directory as a subdirectory called released, and it's going to open up the basket.prt and then rename it and clean up the model, meaning strip it of all of its relations, suppressed features, so on and so forth, and back that up as a new model. There may be times when you want to include another model from your design, for example, a vendor model or something that you don't really need to strip out any information for because the relations are important. You can also back those up independently of running them through the release process. The way you do that is you come in and you say model for your object type. You scroll down to save to released. And by default, it's going to take the active model that's on the display, but we're going to specifically specify a model, in this case, cone.prt. So when I run this, I don't have anything in session right now. So if I open this up and look in session, you can see there's nothing there. When I run this, it's going to look at the active directory and it's going to pull up the models that it needs to perform these operations. When I press the Do It button, you'll notice here that it created my released folder. And within it, it has saved cone.prt and also the released basket, which was processed through the Nitro-CELL release. So that's a way to save specific models that you do not want to go through the release process in Nitro-CELL to the release directory without having to process them.